am I making? Well, I have some homemade spinach pasta boiling away right here, and I am working on a sauce. Don't let this small kitchen fool you. I am a cooking fanatic, always trying out new recipes and ingredients. You know, the sauce is from a can. I said I was a fanatic, but I'm also practical. Besides, I dressed it up myself. Some fresh grated garlic, some extra herbs, but it's still missing something. Some sort of punch. Aha! Seems like we are in luck. I have a pound of cooked Johnsonville Italian sausage right here. Oh, that's much better. Let's check our pasta. Woo! You know, you can only tell if it's done by tasting it. Perfect. Let's plate. Look at all those lovely bits of Johnsonville Italian sausage. Delicioso. You know, this might be something yummy to serve at a Johnsonville Italian inspiration house party. Now, I love cooking, and everyone does say how they enjoy my cooking. I do love playing hostess. You know, it would be nice to have a party where I can do something I love, people that mean the most to me. And you can make that happen if you pick me to host a Johnsonville Italian inspiration house party.